Hello everyone, I am Chandan Tapadia. Welcome back to the weekly Market Watch. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Talking about Nifty, it traded the week in a narrow range of 500 points in between 24,600 to 25,100 levels. It witnessed some pressure near the higher end of the band, but same time supports remain intact near the lower zone. The index moved in a sideways trend in the absence of follow-up activities, and technically it formed an inside bar pattern. Now it requires a decisive range breakout to commence the next leg of rally. Looking at the derivatives data, May series witnessed an increase in open interest by around 16%, with a rise in price by around 2.4% on expiry basis, which clearly indicates addition of long position in the market. Rollover of Nifty stood at around 79%, which is in line to the last month, but slightly higher than quarterly average of 78%. Going forward, now Nifty index needs to hold above 24,700 zone to extend the momentum towards 25,200 to 25,400, while on the downside, supports are shifting higher at 24,600 and major support is at 24,444 marks. Meanwhile, the volatility index India VIX declined to 17 marks, which clearly indicates that some sort of higher base is clearly visible in the market. Talking about Bank Nifty, it remained range bound for most part of the week, traded in a wider range of 1000 to 1500 points. Most part of the week it traded with support of 54,500, but again sustained supply was seen near 55,800. It got stuck in a range and lacking momentum, but sustained buying interest indicates that some sort of decline could be brought in the market. Looking at the rollover activities, short covering was seen in the Bank Nifty as open interest declined by around 32% and price was up by around 0.62% on expiry basis. Rollover in Bank Nifty stood at around 79%, which is higher than its quarterly average of 77%. Now Bank Nifty needs to hold the higher base of 55,000 to trigger a fresh momentum towards 56,000 or even the new lifetime high territory of 56,500. Upcoming RBI policy will be a key trigger to commence the next leg of rally in the banking index. Now let's talk about the sector. On the sectorial front, strength can be seen in the PSU banks, capital market stocks and selective insurance counter could continue to see the positive stance. So that's all from the weekly Market Watch. See you next week, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.